What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this super sick Y2K TV CRT effect. I don't usually do these kind of effects, but I think that I just snapped. I was just trying to come up with some ideas to show for you guys and I came up with this. So that's what we're going to be going over together. But I'm sitting down right now because I literally just torn my ankle yesterday. As you can see, I got my, I don't know how to say it in English, but soon enough I'll be standing up. But I just wanted to show you how committed I am to showing you all of this sauce. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the squad. My name is Gus. I run a friendly file store in which I sell editing packs, presets, templates, basically all the sauce you need to level up your videos, all in a matter of seconds. So if you're interested in any of that, you can check the link down in the description. Now with that said, let's get right into this. So this is the effect that we're gonna have at the end. I thought it looked super saucy, so let's get right into this. All right, so the first effect we're gonna apply to achieve our effect is the grid effect. So we're gonna create a sort of grid that's gonna make us think of like this CRT effect. So let's make the border something like 3 for now, and let's change the size from corner point to width and height slider. And then let's make it 15 by 15. And we're gonna make the blending mode screen. That way we see the background. There we go. As you can see, we should have this. Maybe we should make the border a little more thin. Yeah, that works. Real quick, before we continue with the tutorial, I need to put you onto my brand new preset pack, New Wave FX V2. If you want to stand out as an editor, have crazy transitions, grungy transitions, trippy transitions, a bunch of presets that are going to make you stand out and that fit the whole New Wave aesthetic from artists like Fake Mink, Netspan, Che, and many more, this is the pack for you. There are over 30 plus drag and drop presets that you can simply slap on any adjustment layer and will instantly transform your videos. This is one of my favorite packs I've ever made. Creators love it and I use it on every single one of my projects. The presets will be sent to you instantly after you purchase. If you want to copy it, I'll even have a code for 15% off down below. Make sure you check it out. With that said, let's get right into this tutorial. All right, then we're gonna go and add the ripple effect. I know what you might think, like, what does this have to do with anything? Like a ripple effect for a CRT effect, just let me cook. We're gonna increase the radius to 100%, and then we're gonna make the wave width 2 and the height. That way we're gonna have this so far. As you can see, you get like this static, I don't know how to call it, but it's super nice, like separated, like glitchy, noisy effect. And then to top it off, we can add a CC toner effect to it, and we can make the midtones in the light blues, something like that. Pretty sick. We could even add a curves effect and reduce these and crank up this right here. Pretty sick. So now we don't really see that many details, so we're gonna duplicate that one, Command D, and then the one under, we're just gonna delete that one right here. And now we're gonna do toggle switches and mode. That way we see the blending modes tab, and we're gonna make this color dodge. So now, as you can see, we're gonna have this now. We might as well add a bit more sauce to it. Let's try and add a echo effect, see what that does. So it makes it like brighter, so we could do like maximum, put 3 of those, but maybe if we add it before everything, we can have something pretty cool. Oh, now we have like a nice trail. I don't hate that at all. If we increase those, what do we get? Yo, that's actually super clean. And I'm gonna create an adjustment layer as well. Add the posterized time effect. We're gonna create a sort of like choppy effect to it. We're gonna put it like 12 frames per second. Yeah, that's super clean. If we want, we could even make the blending mode screen. That way we get a sort of like delayed effect right here. There's like so much stuff to play with. Let's look color dodge, what that gives us. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick with the normal one. And now we're gonna add a exposure effect to add a flicker effect that we usually see in those TV effects. So exposure, let's do alt click, and then we're gonna type wiggle parentheses 1, no, let's do 24, and then 0.8. That way now, as you can see, we're gonna have this nice flicker right here. If you want to give it also that rounded TV look, we could even grab all of this. We could even add another adjustment layer. We're gonna add a optics compensation effect, just to add a sort of like TV look to it, something like that. Now all we gotta do is add another transform effect, and we can scale it up. That way we don't see any black borders. So clean. And now let's look at our final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing, and please let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you want to see on this channel next. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.